Good morning, students of class 9. Today we'll continue our lesson, the fun they had. Last time we were talking about Margie, Tommy. Margie was doing very bad in geography. Her progress was getting bad to worse, and her mother was very sad. She shook her head sorrowfully and took the mechanical teacher to the county inspector. Now you know, here are the points I've written. You can pause the video and copy these points so that it will help you to remember. Now county inspector means one who repairs computer. So now, what kind of a person? His description. County inspector was a little man with a red face. He was very short. His face was quite red. He gave an apple to Margie while he took the mechanical teacher apart. He gave an apple to Margie and told her to sit for some time there while he repairs. He took the mechanical teacher apart. Apart means separated, part by part. He opened the mechanical teacher and took it apart. After an hour, he set it right. It did not took him long. So he set the mechanical teacher or the computer within an hour. It took very short time for him because he was an expert. While he was setting the mechanical teacher, Margie hoped that he wouldn't know how to put it together, as she hated the school and the mechanical teacher because the mechanical teacher gave her test after test. She had no time to play. That's why she hated the mechanical teacher and the school. That's why she hoped that he wouldn't know how to put it all together. She was hoping that. But the county inspector said to Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones, she was the mother of Margie. The county inspector said to her, what did he say? It was not Margie's fault. It was not her fault. Because the geography sector had been geared a little too fast. And he slowed it to the 10-year level. So in future, they won't have the class. According to the age, the chapter will be set. So here, as Margie was doing very bad in her geography subject, so the county inspector slowed the computer to the 10-year level. Margie was much disappointed when she saw the computer getting ready. She was very much disappointed, as she hoped they would take it all together. She hoped that they would take the mechanical teacher all together. But it did not happen what she hoped. Once Tommy's teacher was taken away for a month. She thought that once Tommy's teacher was taken away for a month, as his history sector had been completely blanked out. So Tommy was free for a month. She was hoping the same, but it did not happen. Within 1 hour, the mechanical teacher was set. It was repaired. Both of them were reading the book. She said, why would anyone write about the school? She said, as she was younger than Tommy, she said, why would anyone write about school? She didn't knew what kind of school they had long ago. She didn't knew what kind of school they had long ago. Because their school was in their home. They had to sit in one of the room and sit in front of the mechanical teacher, and whole day they have to do the work. Learn, read, write, do homeworks, test, and so on. anyway they had a teacher. She said, oh, anyway they had a teacher. Tommy said, they don't have this kind of mechanical teacher. They had a man. For a teacher, they had a man. Long time ago, there was no mechanical teacher. They had a man, a teacher. So that's all for today. So we'll meet in the next class and we'll continue this chapter. Thank you very much for watching the video clip. You can pause it up and pause the video and copy the points so that it will help you to remember and short. The whole chapter is all about this. So now that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much.